Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix network error code 0x80070035 on Windows 11 in a simple and effective way so you can access shared folders without any issues. This error usually means your system cannot find the network path, often due to incorrect settings or disabled services. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure both devices are connected to the same network and can see each other. You can test this by pinging the other computer using Command Prompt. Next, enable Network Discovery. Go to Control Panel, open Network and Sharing Center, click on Advanced Sharing Settings, and turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. After that, check if the required services are running. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and make sure services like Function Discovery Provider Host and Function Discovery Resource Publication are set to automatic and running. Another important step is to enable SMB protocol. Open Windows Features, scroll down, and make sure SMB 1.0 or SMB Direct is checked, then restart your computer. You should also temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if they are blocking the connection. If it works after disabling, add an exception instead of keeping them off. Finally, clear stored credentials by opening Credential Manager and removing old network entries, then reconnect again. After following these steps carefully, the network error should be fixed and your shared folders should work normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.